Hi everybody, we're here at my coworker Jason's house. We're at his raised beds and we wanted to show you some irrigation today. And so Jason has basically, we've rolled out some soaker hose, and I'm gonna ask Jason why you decided on soaker hose.
So the nice thing is that with the soaker hoses, you get water directly at the plant's roots rather than an overhead irrigation or just watering it by hand. The principle and the purpose of this is to keep as least amount of moisture off of the plant's leaves, which will reduce the amount of fungal problem and other issues down the road. Soaker hoses are really the easiest way to go. It really allows you to get a good, soak.
Yeah.
So that's a game plan here.
Yeah, so soaker hoses we would highly recommend for watering, deep watering again. We were discussing, again, with the soaker hose pattern, just running one length down and coming back so you have a nice, if you will, double lane loop running down the middle of the bed. Jason, we were talking about if the edges get dry, you can do some supplemental watering, but the soaker hose is going to be able to basically stay at the root system of these plants. All of the plants have been mounded when they were planted, so again, the soaker hose is running sort of in the valley, if you will, below the plants, so that water can go directly into the root system instead of all over the plant foliage. So that's great. That's the best way to conquer disease, along with air circulation and staking too. So you're staking all of your tomatoes and your peppers, bamboo stakes.
Yep.
And then Jason, as we show, we'll probably be able to show a little bit later on, but as they grow, he's gonna just use a Velcro tape to kind of keep those stems sturdy as they do grow up the stakes there, right?
Yeah, and sometimes depending on the size of the pepper or tomato, I may do another stake a little bit further out just for added support. Once you start getting into your really big tomatoes, the bigger ones I'm going to put down there, they will be caged, which is a much stronger and a much safer type of support system. It really gives the plant a 360-degree support structure.
Sure. So that works out well as well. So we are planted, we've got irrigation down, everything's been fed.
Yep.
So we're gonna show you just in a few weeks' time, see what the progress is here. Thanks, Jason.